channel. This is CW Fab's Garage right here, and my name's Cody. And what we're going to be doing today is doing the finishing touches on the painting of the COOT. After today, I hope to be completely done with all the painting, and we can start putting it back together. So come along with me, we'll get this thing painted out, and then I'm going to show you guys a couple other little projects I got going on in the shop, and it's going to be fun. If you like this kind of thing, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Try to put a new video up every Friday. Sometimes that don't always happen. Life comes at you. So anyway, let's get after it. Alright, so what I got going on is, so we did the Raptor liner on the whole thing. The whole entire thing's done in Raptor liner. That took 4 bottles of the Raptor liner. And they do have a tintable Raptor liner that you can put on, and you can get it, I think it's in a sand color. But the black 4-bottle kit was like 108 bucks. Just to get the 4-bottle kit in the sand was like 170, 180 bucks. So I opted to go for the Rust-Oleum camouflage, and we're going to be doing the desert tan. And I've already got the bottom pretty much done. Didn't really care about the overspray because I can go back and hit that. So we're going to get some of this mixed up. We're going to do it's going to be the black on tan look. So I've got the wheels done in black, and we're going to do the roll cage in black, and should look pretty good. Let's get it painted up. Okay, so we're getting that all sprayed out. These cans right here, normally if you're doing something that you want a nice finish on, you don't want this to go all the way empty. Where this is the Raptor liner, it's textured, I'm not really too worried about that, so we just go till the can's empty. And you can see me, I'm doing an overspray. I'll go past where I'm painting and let go, and then come back across. It gives you a nice even coat. And this is the second coat of the tan. And I'm going to be putting on one more coat. That's 3 coats of the desert over top of the Raptor liner. That should be pretty tough. Hoping to keep that corrosion out of this thing. It's had a hard life, and like I said, we had to replace the whole bottom on this thing, so it's nice to finally get some paint on it. Let's finish this up. Okay, so my favorite time, we're going to take the masking tape off. This is set up enough that it sits nice and it's not tacky, but it's just right. You don't want it to get too hard or it's going to peel when you pull the tape off. So let's get it all unwrapped, just like Christmas. Let's get a close look at how that looks. Turned out amazing, I think. That texture on that Raptor liner is pretty cool. Look at that. And it is, it's smooth. Really smooth to the touch. It's not like a normal bed liner, it's kind of rubbery. You can see that texture in there on the cream color. So we left the floor. We left the floor in the front. We fixed a couple patches. We've got a full plate on the bottom, completely welded out. We've got that sealed up. Back in here, we've got that all done. I've been grinding the front part, getting ready, so it's really dusty in here, but that'll clean right out. Okay, one of the viewers on here wanted to know exactly how the COOT articulates. So what you've got down here is, so this is a big female thread welded to the frame of the body, and same on the front, I believe. I could be wrong, but this here is another big flange welded to the frame, and it's a big female thread. And it doesn't go all the way through. So what this is inside of here is a big male thread, and it's, you know, from here to that side there, and the whole thing is just like a big screw that's put in through there. And what that does is that allows this whole thing to articulate on those threads. You got grease zerks all the way around it, and you've got a couple bolts that go in here to keep the whole thing from backing off. To take the COOT apart, you undo these bolts, you unscrew that whole thing. I've heard it's a pain in the butt. I would never ever try it if you don't have to. There's a guy on YouTube here that has pulled his apart, and I think it's going to be pretty hard to get the two halves lined back up without the jig or the fixturing that when they manufactured these, you know, that probably made it easy, I'm sure. But anyway, that's how that articulate action of the COOT works, is that one central hub right there. And it's just basically a big nut and a bolt, and all the drive lines and everything runs right down through center line, and everything articulates off of that. Your drive shaft will go right through the middle, back to there. You've got another one that comes up to here, and that's how that works. So I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think that's going to look good. Let me show you the wheels. We got those all Raptor linered out too. That's the front two wheels. Back two wheels are here. Yeah, that's gonna look good. And get those military tires put back on here. Okay. All right, you guys, the COOT turned out great. Got the painting done. We're gonna start putting that back together. That'll be some of these later videos. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you're wondering what's behind me, that's going to be the up and coming projects. If you look right over here, we've got a mess, is what we've got. Let me show you. So what we got coming up for the channel is, you remember right up here, we're going to put a picture on right now of the old Cub Cadet 149. Well, the Cub Cadet 149 has been disassembled pretty much completely. All the parts and pieces are here on the shelf, and here's our frame. We've got to go through here and get this all cleaned up, ready for paint. Our pin was broke for the swivel on the tractor. We'll be fixing that. And there that all is, all in pieces. Here's our rear end. So that'll be probably next. And then I picked this guy up, this old Fraser rototiller. That is one cool looking piece of machinery. This thing built probably 1948, 49-ish area, right in there. It's going to be fun to get into. Gas tank up on the front. We've got this cool looking front grill on there. It just reminds me of some old Air Force looking, military Air Force looking thing. The rubber was gone. We ripped that off. One of the rims is bad. All the hoses were bad. It's going to be a big project. That is 1948, 49, somewhere right in there, Fraser tractor. And it's pretty cool. Even the old plates are still on there. It's a B16, serial number 10011. So anyway, that's going to be it for today. This video, we're going to go get that uploaded. That was the finished painting of the COOT. All we got to do is just the small things. We'll get those put on, and man, I can't wait to drive the thing. Anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.